Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Kia Telluride, then you're gonna need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at how we complete this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. You can lower the underbody panel on the driver's side of the vehicle. We'll use a flathead screwdriver to remove 3 push pins, and we'll use a 14mm socket on an extension to remove 2 plastic nuts. Pull down gently on the panel while you loosen the plastic nut. With our underbody panel removed, we have exposed the tow harness package we will plug into. First, remove the cap. You can now install the wiring harness adapter. First, pass it underneath this existing electrical wire. You can now hide the converter box using the provided double-sided sticky tape. You can now address your 4-flat bracket. If you prefer, you can mount it into the fascia. However, my customer would not like it mounted in the fascia. So let me go ahead and show you how you can turn an existing electrical bracket on our shelf into a bracket for the wiring. We'll go ahead and link that video up above. Install the bracket and the clamp. Now use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the bracket down into position. These brackets are not included with the kit. They can be picked up at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center, or they can be ordered online at uhaulhitches.com. Use the provided hardware for the 4-flat bracket to mount it to our new custom electrical bracket. Tighten this hardware using a Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 wrench. An optional part of the install, I like to hide the colored wire with black electrical tape to keep the look clean as it passes back underneath the bumper. Place on your dust cover. And now seat the connector in the bracket, wiggle it into position, and then cover it with the cover. We're gonna now hide the wiring using the provided zip ties. You can now install the provided 15-amp fuse into the fuse holder. Now return the underbody panel and the trim fasteners. Place the 14mm nuts over the studs and press them into position. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.